Hello, boys. I have really bad news for you. Why? Starting from today, I am your French Foreign Legion teacher. And I will teach you so much important things about French Foreign Legion. Why? Because I want you to be the next bearer of the Kepi Blanc. Right? I want you to be the next successful applicant. And this is very important for me. This is very, very important also for you. Okay? The last insider tip from my part was, do not lose time to go to Paris. Do not lose any time to go to Nantes, to Lyon, to Strasbourg, wherever. No. Go directly to Albania. Because in Albania, you can find the mother house of the French Foreign Legion. Right? Okay? So, and now I give you another tip, another insider tip. If your plane is landing in Paris or Marseille is better, then have a look where is the next gendarme, the next policeman. Yeah? And you ask him, hey, policeman, hello, gendarme. Je voudrais bien m'engager à la Légion étrangère. And he will smile and he will guide you there. He will tell you what you have to do next. And this is very important. Okay? So, today I will teach you some things you should not forget. You should not forget. You have to learn. This is a must learn. Right? Some French words and some Legionnaires tradition. Very important. Look. This is what? This is a chapeau de brousse. This is a chapeau de brousse. Repeat. Chapeau de brousse. And the chapeau de brousse you will wear when you are in interventions, in operations, or an MCD in Africa. And when you are in French Guyana, you wear a chapeau de brousse. Okay? Don't forget this word. Chapeau de brousse. Okay? And before I start with this one, this is maybe the most important thing. We come back to what we've learned together. What is this? What is this? Hey, Gaston, they don't know what it is. Adjudant. This is an adjudant. Gaston is adjudant. Me, your teacher, I have been adjudant. Right? Don't forget this one. Ah, vous me cassez déjà le roll-ups. What is this? Schultz is a sergent. Sergent. Bonjour, sergent. Je voudrais bien m'engager à la Légion étrangère. You must know this stuff, right? Okay. So, when you knock on the door in the Legion's office, recruiting desk, bonjour, caporal chef, je voudrais bien m'engager à la Légion étrangère. Slowly. Bonjour, caporal chef. Or, bonjour, sergent. Je voudrais bien m'engager à la Légion étrangère. Okay. Now we are coming to the most important thing. Maybe. Right? No, the most important thing is that you can do 7 fucking pull-ups. Right? But be aware. Because there are a lot of applicants will show up. Huh? A lot of applicants can do average maybe 10 pull-ups. When you can do 7, but all the rest can do 10, bad for you. Look at this. Look at this. What are we have here? This is a very important threesome. This is La Ceinture Bleue. And it matched perfect with the tenue de parade of a legionnaire or of a NCO up to sergeant. This is an NCO sergeant. And they are wearing La Ceinture Bleue. Repeat. Ceinture Bleue. Blue belt. Ceinture Bleue. You must know this. And the next one is épaulette de tradition. Okay? épaulettes de tradition. They are, of course, in the color of the French Foreign Legion, vert et rouge, green and red. Épaulettes de tradition. And they match with tenue de parade. These ones are the épaulettes de tradition of an NCO, sergeant. And this will be yours. La troupe, right? La troupe, c'est what? La troupe is légionnaire de deuxième classe, légionnaire de première classe, caporal and caporal chef, right? Okay. And the ceinture bleue, la ceinture bleue, les épaulettes de tradition, they match, of course, with the képi blanc, le képi blanc, right? The white képi. I repeat one more time. This is le képi blanc. These are les épaulettes de tradition in the color of the French Foreign Legion, green and red. And this is, ça c'est la ceinture bleue. Do not forget this one. Never forget this lesson I gave you today, right? Okay. So now you knock on the door. Caporal chef showing up. Caporal chef, bonjour or salut. Je voudrais bien m'engager à la Légion étrangère. If he is staring at you and he's saying to you, hello Schlabor, or tu me casses les couilles, or ne me casse pas les roll mops, this is bad for you. But he won't say it because it's not nice. He will smile and he will tell you, come in, my friend. You are very welcome. Okay, that was it for today. And of course, oh, I forgot. This is le beret vert. Green beret. Fighting soldiers from the sky. This is le beret vert. Beret vert of the French Foreign Legion. Right? Je bois à votre santé. And no, the teacher is not drinking wine. The teacher is drinking German coffee. German black coffee. Without sugar, without milk. This is good for your health. Believe it, right? Okay. Stay in touch with your teacher. Learn your lessons. I want you to be the next bearer of the Képi Blanc. See you next. Bye bye. Amitié légionnaire. Your teacher, your Thomas Gast. Bye bye. Je voudrais bien m'engager à la Légion étrangère. Bonjour, caporal chef, je voudrais bien m'engager à la Légion étrangère. Easy going.